Sometimes I feel like my village people is after me when I trade. What's good, guys? How are you doing? So, this is the last day of the week, and I won't say that I was profitable. I actually lost on my proprietary firm account. So, I got a funded next 5K account, and it wasn't easy, honestly speaking. I took three losses on gold. The first loss I was not supposed to take. Then the two losses are normal losses that I'm supposed to take. So let's just dive into the chart and I'll show you what I saw. Alright, so this is the chart for the week. So this is how I was basically, first of all, I was basically anticipating sales. And you can actually see that I was actually right for the sales. So let's check the daily. Now this is the daily. I saw that the first day of the week, which was Monday, price was reacting to this point here, which is our resistance level. Let me create a pen. So price was reacting right here. So which gave me the mentality that price wants to sell. Now, if you observe, price actually sold off and rejected from this support level. I now changed my bias and I said we were bullish. But if you observe, price now came here again, tapped into this support level. You can see it here. I mean, tapped into that resistance level, and as soon as we saw that tap, we knew that we were selling. Finish. After that, I knew as soon as price just closed below this. Look at it. Look at this zone here. Price closed below the. I knew that I was bearish. One important thing about trading is direction. If you can get the direction right, if everything will just keep working out. But although I got the direction right, I was still stopped out. Let's go to my entry time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. And you can see this crazy sell. The sales was crazy. Now you can see how price just took me out and just went down. Crazy thing. So I took a trade here. I think I took 3 trades. I took a trade from this point here. There was supposed to be a limit order around here. Why I took this trade before was because it made sense, but I wasn't supposed to take the trade. No, that was not even the trade. It was this. The reason why I was not supposed to take the trade is because this thing happened around 1. And I was awake. Something just told me, just put the limit order. I placed the limit order and boom, it hit my stop loss. So I told myself I don't want to be trading Asia. I don't want to be trading Asia. So this place here, price came here and we see that price reacted to it. Okay, it would have made sense to actually sell price to the downside. But you see price now short to the upside. I had another limit order here. Price kicked me out. And you can see after it kicked me out, went down into my direction, down to show you that I actually got the direction right. So this is just a note for myself that you can have everything, like everything can align, but at the end of the day you can still lose. So always have in mind risk management. So currently I'm down on my account. My account is sitting at 49328, and that's just basically it. So next week we'll try again. We'll see how price does. No matter what price gives me, we'll take it like that. I will try my possible best to obey my rule and not go against it. It's not easy, but I'll try my best. All right. Have a good one.
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look